Hi guys, Black Forest Labs has just introduced Flux 3 Video, a new multimodal AI model for image, video, and audio generation. The most exciting part is that it is expected to be open source. Currently, Flux 3 Video is not publicly available yet. You can apply for early access through the official link in the description. For more details about this new model, you can also check out my other videos. Many creators are wondering whether Flux 3 Video can compete with Seedance 2. So I recreated the Flux 3 demo videos in Seedance 2 using HitPaw AI tools by reverse engineering their prompts. Now, let's compare the results between Flux 3 Video and Seedance 2. Which one do you think performs better? Since Flux 3 Video is not fully released yet, it's still too early to draw a conclusion. I'll make another comparison once it is officially available. That's all for this video. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe for more AI content, tips, and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.